First recovery of the day. Shane, what happened? I went a little too hard.
Yeah, I guess it's just too deep. But don't worry, check it out. We got the very first ever urban escape vehicle by Conqueror. This is the UEV14, and check this out over here. No problem at all. So normally I have some max tracks at home, but I wasn't expecting to come into a place to get stuck. Well, I guess that's a silly thing to do. I should always expect to get stuck. Didn't bring a shovel, didn't bring max tracks, but check out what comes stock with this rig. We got a shovel. So, we'll be okay. Got my shovel. Now I'm gonna go dig myself out.
Dig with a shovel or
We got no max tracks. This is okay. We'll get out.
Hey-ho. Hey-ho.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Let me try and shove it down. Suck it down, suck it down. I think you're just gonna have to dig that chunk out. Good thing we don't have to worry about undulating. The Conqueror is looking quite ferocious with his stance in the snow. Now or never. Oh, you're drifting.
Well, unfortunately, the shovel helped a little bit. We ended up having to get out our recovery gear. We got our soft shackle and our rope. So never leave home without at least recovery gear. Shovel, max tracks might be forgivable, but recovery gear, no. So we know from experience this shackle, this D-ring is strong enough to recover combined weight of the Ram and the UEV14, which is probably combined roughly, I mean, it's 10 to 12,000 pounds. I don't know off the top of my head. I would have to look at them both. But over 10,000 pounds, so woo! Good thing we have a D-ring on the back of the trailer. That's pretty sweet. You'll wonder, will I ever need that? Well, if you do stupid stuff like us, then yes, you will need it. And us is ROA, RVs America. Yeah, we do stupid. But we have fun doing it, so it's okay.